This review is of the Quantum Tactical Flashlight QFL-588. 588 for 588 lumens, 538 foot range, up to 3 hours, 24 minutes runtime. It has standard all the way to ultra focused mode. It also has a strobe mode, so try me. Do not look directly into it. Ooh, that looks bright. Now, for a large room, 588 lumens means nothing, but a directed light of that intensity outside can be rather useful. And here are the features that are included, including a 5-tooth striking edge for self. I'll show you. Hold on a second here. But weighted striking heel, aluminum barrel, on-off switch at the end of the barrel, batteries included, adjustable zoom, 5-tooth striking edge, which you can see right here, and this demonstrates the zoom capabilities. Don't look into it. It's too bright. Battery replacement. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult to remove the battery holder. I haven't figured out actually how to do that, but who knows? Maybe a miracle will happen. Let's try it out. So, as you can see, there's this edge here that's scalloped, so that if you have to strike something with the intention, I assume, of hurting someone, it's going to hurt more because of that scalloped edge. And if you were to twist as you're striking, you could probably do some significant damage to somebody's skin. There's this information here in about 5 meters and out, or so that actually extends quite a bit to give you a very good range of zoom in and out. And there it is. It's got quite a large lens on it. There's the power button. Now if you simply do that, it turns on and then turn off again. If you want to zoom, if you want, however, to strobe, you have to hold the button in, and then it works. So, how strong is this really, though? Well, number one, it's strong enough that if you're in a small room, it'll light up the room fairly well for you, like a bathroom. Well, depends on your bathroom. Some of you people think that having a bathroom as large as a master bedroom is advisable. But for the rest of us normal human beings who don't have the luxury of huge sums of money to waste, we get small bathrooms. Now let's take a look over here. I want you to see the power of this flashlight. Okay, this is zoomed all the way out. It's so big, I can't even show you the whole scope of it all at once. But if we zoom, look at that. Oh, my lamp is on. Turned it. I thought I turned it off. Wow. That is pretty impressive if you think about it. Now, this isn't like those flashlights that you see on TV that are so strong that if you hold it up to a piece of plastic, it'll burn through the plastic. This is emitting a fair amount of heat, and I think that if I were to keep my hand here long enough, it would definitely become uncomfortable. But for right now, it's just very interesting so that I can see my muscles, and or more likely I can see my bones. So can you see that there? But when we get to the thicker stuff, it doesn't work. And I'm on fire! Right. So, if that's not proof enough for you of the power of this thing, I'm going to just try to get this battery thing out if I can. Aha! There we go. So you'll need 4 AAAs when you have to replace this. Now, oh, by the way, it does have a gasket around this to help keep it waterproof. So make sure that when you put this together, that you tighten it all the way down till you can't turn it, and then it should be waterproof unless you were careless and you allowed the rubber gasket to shift out of its normal protective position. Let's find out just how powerful this is. I'm going to take you in the bathroom. Don't worry, you're safe. This is the darkest place in my apartment. No, just be patient, okay? I'm going to show you. Aside from the light from my glasses reflecting off from going from the phone to my glasses, you can't see me, can you? Now if I take off my glasses, you can't see me at all. So let me help you. Here I am. And there is the light. And since that's more important, we're going to focus it in. But remember, this is what it looks like with this one. Now let's look at it with the other one. Can you see the difference? Not just my face, but look at the wall. Now, again, I can actually look at this one. This one's got like 588 lumens, which is not very bright if you're talking about lighting a room. It's pretty weak. If you want to get a good light that'll light up a room, you want to get over 1,000 lumens unless it's a very small room, like this small room. In fact, I could do everything I need to do in this room since I don't use makeup and I don't need like intense lighting without turning on the light, just with this quantum flashlight. But no, this is not going to cut it. But let's take a look at the difference in the quality of the light. All right, so here is that little one and the big one. And let's zoom in. There's the little one. You can still see the big one, or the little one inside of the big one, right? But if I get them to approximately the same size, you can't see it anymore very well. Well, you can a little bit because they're different. This one's more blue, and this one's more kind of yellowish, I guess you could say. But when we compare same distance, okay, I'm holding them from the same distance here. If we compare the intensity of that light, it's really different. How focused the quantum is much better than this tactile pen from Bell+Howell. So the only way that I can even come close, and even then I can't, I have to pull back the quantum and pull it back to, so as you can see, big difference, right? And don't forget, tell scary stories and confuse your camera light with this. Oh! Didn't expect that, did you? All right, so one more thing. And I forget how to do this. There's supposed to be there it is. So there's the strobe for the quantum. And the strobe. But I can't get this one up my nose. This one's perfect though. Wait, let me turn that off again. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. So, this is going to go in my car, but primarily because of the hammer. I'll still probably use the flashlight eventually, but I'll probably take this on camping trips, and this one will stay in the car because it's really not very useful. But, I think I paid $10 for this. But look, I need you to get out of my bathroom. I really need to use it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. So, pretty good, right? Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.